Hi,
Hi.
Susie with Whedonopolis.
Hi, Susie. I'm Ted Boutros. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. So this is pretty exciting for you. This was probably a long time coming. Just making sure that people get to see and hear everything that went into the fight against Prop 8. If you were to give the listeners, and in our case the readers too, your biggest challenge in this process, what would it be?
The biggest challenge really was to convince the public and the courts that this was a civil rights battle. This was about not politics. It wasn't a Republican issue, a Democrat issue. This is all about civil rights and just equality and the dignity of people and the desire of people to get married. And when we looked at the history of our country, you'd be surprised how much marriage has played a role in the civil liberties of people. It's an emblem of freedom when you marry the person you love. And I really got to know that as a lawyer and being with our clients and seeing them go from the beginning of the case all the way to the Supreme Court and then get married. It was just the greatest thing as a lawyer you could ever see, and you'll see it up on the screen. It's really exciting. It's great.
Now, had you had any previous exposure to cases related to this before, or was this your first equal rights case?
This was my first big civil rights case that I'd been involved in. I had other cases. I represent journalists and First Amendment issues, and so really feel strongly about freedom and liberty and civil rights. But this case, it was so fundamental. And really, if you look at the landscape of civil rights battles, this is the last area where the government is explicitly discriminating against people. So to be part of it, be a part of it, a small part of it, to be part of, see my clients get married, you really, as a lawyer, you have all kinds of great things in cases happen when you win, but to have it end with a wedding, it really doesn't get any better than that. It was really just a fantastic experience. And the filmmakers were so great because they were with us all the way, and they were on the scene from the, at the weddings in the film. It was just incredible.
So that's something we can all see when we watch the documentary?
Exactly. And you'll see our happy moments, our scary moments during the case. And in a trial and in litigation, you have ups and downs. And you see them in this case. And I don't want to spoil the ending, but it is a happy ending. They get married. So it's really good.
And are you proud to know that you're part of history for taking on this case that helped overturn such an abomination, really, to civil liberties in the U.S.?
It is really an honor to be a small part. There's been really a battle with people, lawyers, and civil rights groups all around the country fighting for these issues for decades and decades. And to be able to come in and play a role and be a foot soldier in this battle as a lawyer is such an honor, and to have the result be that people have equality, it's just a really honor and a great feeling, and I'm so proud to be here, and to see the filmmakers get their film out like this is just great.
Fabulous, and thank you for your effort in it too. We appreciate it.
Thank you so much. Thanks for being here.